Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando/Central Florida-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go ahead and begin. Question number 8. Significant other trick question. Okay? So you say you can't be around anyone at all, due to your depression and PTSD. Correct? Claimant John says, "Yes, Your Honor." A strong affirmation. Where do you live, John? I live in Winter Park. I live in Winter Springs. I live in Cocoa. I live in Orlando. I live on an island. I live on a mountain. Whatever. Is it a house? Is it a home? Is it a trailer? It's a trailer. Who else lives in that trailer? Oh, Sarah does. Well, who's Sarah? Well, Sarah's my girlfriend. Silly question. Everybody knows that. Sarah's your girlfriend. So you say you can't be around other people, correct? Oh, no, not at all. Not at all. No. No. Okay, that's what it is. Hey, okay, all right. Then how are you able to be around Sarah? Does she cook? Does she clean for you? Do you assist her with things? How do you help her? Does she have kids? Does she bring kids over? Do her family members have kids? Do you have to sometimes watch kids? Is that part of your daily activities? Is that your hobby? Is she at work? Is she the one that's making money because you're the one that's unable to work due to your depression and PTSD? How are you able to be around her? How did you meet her? Did you meet her at a bar? Were you in a social gathering? Was it a holiday event? Was it a church? Where was it? It's a trick question. And it's a good question to entangle you in a tough situation. Alright, I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter than I normally do because I'm getting sleepy. And that's my dog who's bitching. I know, Shadow. I know, Baby Snuggles. I know. You want to come over? Anyways, guys, I got to take him for a walk because he's going to break down the barrier and then come directly over here and then pop up under the desk. Come here, Snuggles. Oh, goodness. Oh, gracious. Hi. Oh, good. So, that is question number 8. And Shadow is going to be doing question number 9. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have a unique question, a custom video, or the most up-to-date information that you would like completed, made, or done, or whatever, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, and we will go from there. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Oh, right in my mouth. Oh, yes. Is that Layla? Is that chubby Layla? That's chubby Layla. Hi, Chub. Hi, sweet piggy. Where's my sweet pig? Oh, you're all big and chubby, aren't you? Don't knock the camera. Oh, God, you're going to knock the camera. Because you're a chubby piggy. You going to sit down and be a good girl? Or are you going to jump up and cause hell? Sweetie, be careful. Sweetie. Over here. All right. Where's your day? Oh, there's too much time. Okay. Sweetie, calm down. No, sweetie. Sweetie, don't lick the mic. What you do? You're screwing everything up. You always screw things up for me there.